Good morning, everyone. My name is Zarya. Welcome to Grade 7A Assembly. The theme of our assembly is falling in love. We begin with a short skit followed by a presentation. Let's begin then. Over to my friends.
Akshay was visiting his grandfather when the lockdown was declared. He cannot return home until the lockdown is lifted. His parents call him on Skype one afternoon to check how he's doing.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. How are you guys?
Hello, Aki. So good to see you. It's been so long. We miss you so much.
Hi, Aki. We're doing fine. Is everything okay there? How are you and Appa managing?
We're doing good here. No problem. No problems. But quite a few COVID cases around here, but we have not stepped out.
But where is Dad? I don't see him here.
Tata will come online soon. I have asked him to join from his room.
Oh, okay. That's great.
Hello Kanna, hello Sanvi.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
Hello, Appa. How are you?
நல்லா இருக்கேன்ப்பா. We are doing well here. நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you both?
We're fine, Appa. Good to see you, hale and hearty. Is Akshay any trouble at all?
Oh no. He is such a sweet boy, you know. He helps me a lot in the house. He even cooks now. தெரியுமா? Last night we made something. அது என்னதுடா கண்ணா Akshay? What was it, Kanna? What did you make last night? I forgot the name.
Pizza, Tata. It's called pizza. We made a scrumptious veg pizza last night.
Ama pizza something. Something new, pa. First time I'm eating it. I liked it. Especially my stomach is also okay after that.
That's great. COVID does have its blessings, I guess. It's bringing family together. It's given nature a breathing space. People have started becoming more independent, especially in household chores. And our Aki has started cooking. Fantastic.
I know. I am so proud of you, Aki. And Rohan, don't even talk about chores, please. I am exhausted. I never imagined I would have to do everything by myself, from cleaning the home to cooking to washing to working.
Wait. Mom, isn't Dad helping you? Dad, aren't you being cooperative?
Of course I help around. Don't I, Sanvi?
Uh-huh.
Oh, come on. I do. In between my calls, I do.
Yes, he does, Aki, whenever he can.
சரி நீங்க பேசிட்டு இரு. You all catch up. I need to go and lie down for some time. It's my nap time now. Take care, kids. நாளைக்கு பேசலாம் கண்ணா. We will talk tomorrow. Okay?
Bye,
Bye,
Appa.
Appa. Talk to you soon.
So, son, tell us all about what you've been doing. How are the online classes going?
Yes, we can't wait to hear. This is the first time you've been staying away from us for so long. How is everything? Eat well, okay? You must not lose weight. Wait, have you lost weight?
No, Mom, I haven't lost weight. In fact, I think I put on weight. And everything is fabulous, Mom and Dad. Classes are going well. Teachers are doing a lot. I'm also working hard. And do you know the best thing? I have fallen in love.
What?
What?
In love? What do you mean in love?
Son, you're only 14. You're too young to fall in love. Oh my god, what are you saying?
Mom, Dad, listen to me.
No, we don't want to. How can this happen? What were you thinking? I need to speak to your teachers. Sanvi, what do you say? Or perhaps we'll speak to Miss Hema directly.
Oh my god, Dad, please, let me explain.
Explain what? What are you going to explain? Rohan, you're right. We need to speak to the teachers or Miss Hema or whoever. Who is this girl? Who are you in love with? Oh my god. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, wasn't it? What's going on there?
I'm in love with Anne of Green.
Anne? Who is this Anne? Do we know her? Rohan, do you know her? Is she a new student? Where's she from? India, UK, America? I don't remember of any Anne's parents on our WhatsApp group chat. Rohan, say something.
Oh, wait, what should I say? I don't know any Anne or Anne's parents. Akshay, you tell me, young man. What's going on there? Is she the neighbor's Mr. Chokalingham's daughter? Oh, but her name can't be Anne. What's going on? You're just a teenager.
Ayo, Dad, you're always jumping to conclusions here. There's no neighbor, there's no daughter, there's only COVID. Please, listen to me.
Must be a new student. Oh, Akshay, we love you so much. We respect any decision you make, but you are too young to fall in love, my sweet child. Rohan, let's get him back somehow. He needs our care.
But how can we? How can that happen during this lockdown? We're not allowed to step out. How can we then bring him back home? If I go to fetch him, the cops will catch me. Oh, Akshay, you're upsetting your mom. Now I won't get lunch.
Can you guys stop? Please, you're always jumping to conclusions. I said I've fallen in love, but it's not with the girl.
What? Then who is this Anne?
Who's Anne?
Anne of Green Gables, Dad.
Green Gables? Where is this? In which city? Where is this place? Rohan, do you know this place?
Are you playing a prank on us, son?
Look, I'm in love with this. Anne of Green Gables. It's a brilliant book, guys. Oh my god, you both are so theatrical.
A book.
Oh, I knew it. I knew our son would never do anything as foolish as falling in love at 14.
Aki, you scared us, son. Ugh.
Well, you scared me too. All about that calling teachers and Miss Hema and everything. You must allow me to speak, right? You both were just going on and on and on.
Parents, son, parents. You will know when you are one.
Yeah, right.
Okay, Aki, so sorry. We didn't give you enough time to speak. So now tell us more about this and the book.
I found this book in Grandpa's collections. You know how he loves reading? I had nothing to do one day, so I was checking out his library when I saw this book. I picked it up and started reading, and I realized that I loved it.
Why do you love the book so much? What's in it?
Firstly, I love the plot. It's about an orphan who is adopted. She loves words and she loves talking. It's how amusing the character is and how well the story is written. I love the way Anne talks. She uses big words that no one her age has ever heard before. And she is so incredibly descriptive when she speaks. And she has a talent for falling into trouble every now and then, but her intentions are always good.
Sounds really interesting. I am so glad that you've started reading, son. You never used to like to.
Yeah, I'm glad too. You wouldn't go near a book, son.
I guess I had to fall in love with it.
You're right. When you're in love with what you do it with all your heart. When you love what you do, you don't feel the pressure to do it.
I agree. I am so happy that you're in love with reading, Aki. Please continue to be in love with it.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, I gotta go back to reading now. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Take care, Rocky. It was great talking to you. Sanvi, are you going to make lunch now?
Bye, Aki. Take care of Grandpa. And yes, Rohan, I'm going to make lunch now.
Bye, you guys. Love you both. Hope you enjoy your lunch.
Love you too,
Bye,
Aki.
Rocky.
Bye.
Lunchtime.
Hello, everyone. I am Aditya. Hope you enjoyed our entertaining skit on falling in love. Now, Vaibhav, Ahan, and I will explain to you our understanding of love or falling in love through this presentation. So, what is love? Adults, of course, will know the answer to this. But we, students, have we really thought about what love is? The dictionary defines love as a strong inner feeling towards somebody or something. We are all familiar with love as romantic love, aren't we? We often see it in movies and read about it in books. But love is not restricted to just the romantic love we know. Love can be what you feel towards what you do. It can be love for studies, subjects, sports, cooking, art. All of these come under love. Over to Vaibhav.
Thanks, Aditya. The one and only Steve Jobs, a man who loved what he did and was passionate about it, once said, "The only way to great work is to love what you do." What did he mean by this? He meant that we should find what we love and we should do it, or we should love what we do. This will help us live our lives to the fullest. Steve Jobs would know. He raised an empire out of a garage just because he loved his work. As students, we can interpret what he said as loving wholeheartedly what is provided to us, especially our education, and put our hearts into it and do our best. Loving what you do allows you to be motivated and happy. It also allows you to work and learn better. This is simply because you are not pressurized or forced to do it, but you love to do it. Now that we know the benefits, how can we fall in love with what we do? This is a valid question that may arise in your minds. As students, we have to learn math, English, science, etc. Do we have a choice? No. Then it's best to just blindly fall in love with all the subjects by looking at their benefits. It may not be easy at first, but you will see that once you begin to love them, they will become much easier for you, simply because you're willing to do more to learn them. So friends, do what you love and love what you do. Now Ahan will speak to you about the difference between like and love.
Thanks, Vaibhav. So, friends, we learned that it's important to fall in love with what we do. Now, has it ever occurred to you what the difference between like and love is? If someone were to ask you what the difference between the two is, what would you tell them? Let me help you here. Once, in one of our English lessons, our teacher asked us the meaning of these two words. And to our big surprise, we were literally stumped. None of us could answer it satisfactorily enough, although we tried and tried. Then, she shared with us an anecdote that helped us understand the difference between like and love and how powerful love is. I will share that anecdote with you. You all know who Buddha is, right? So once upon a time, a disciple approached the great Buddha, extremely troubled by a simple question. He asked Buddha what the difference between like and love is. The Buddha, who was known for his wisdom, just smiled and said, "When you like a flower, you just pluck it. But when you love a flower, you water it daily. One who understands this understands life." What he meant was everything around us thrives on love, including us. If we love ourselves, we will take care of ourselves, our health, our well being. If we love our studies, we will ensure that we do our best in each and every subject. If we truly love our friends, we will help them, especially in times of need. Even nature thrives on love. Back to Aditya.
Thanks, Ahan. So, everyone, in a nutshell, as Jerry Gillies once said, the more you love what you are doing, the more successful it will be for you. So, what are you all waiting for? Go, fall in love with what you do, and be amazed at how you shine.
Hello everyone, my name is Hyunyu. That was our assembly on falling in love. We worked really hard for this assembly. We hope you loved it and learned from it. Thank you everyone.